What is good, YouTube? We is back with another POV drive, and we just gonna get straight into it. Let's get it. We got a little wing stop. We picked up a little wing stop before we go to the crib. I appreciate all the love that I've been getting on my last video. We hit 600 subscribers, so now we on the way to 700, and you know, onwards. Let's get it done. I can't wait to get my my springs. And then I don't get a new steering wheel. Then I'm gonna work on the outside. I'm probably gonna wrap my car myself. So I'm thinking matte black. I just wanna have like a murdered out BMW, then get some black rims or something like that. Probably not no black rims actually. I'll probably get some like deep chromes. I don't know. Probably gonna try to wrap my car myself. I'm gonna go part by part, piece by piece, and then we'll see how it looks. If it look like it's coming out good, then I mean, I'm gonna continue. And then we're gonna get that the steering wheel. Try to upgrade the interior a little bit, and then we're gonna fully work on exterior. Y'all, comes to find out, I had a whole boost leak this whole time. I had a boost leak. The where my boost pipe is, it wasn't pushed on all the way. So it was like, it was on there like, but it was wiggly. So I'm thinking like, that's how it's supposed to be. Then yesterday, I looked under there and I took it off. There was the gasket that I had on there, I don't think it was the right gasket that was supposed to go on there. So I took that off. I went to Home Depot, got a thicker one, put it on there. It was like a real tight fit, which is what it's supposed to be. So I pushed it on there, and then I hit it hard, bruh, and I heard a click. And I tried to move it around, and it was just like, it was stuck in place. So whole time I had a boost leak, and it was never on properly. But it's seated perfectly now, so now I got full power in my car. It's crazy. I don't know, man. I think I gotta get a new battery. Bro, it's like it's something new every day. I gotta get a new it's either a battery or alternator, bro. So I just went to AutoZone. She tested the battery up here, but I have a battery in the trunk, which is my main battery. I don't know if that even works, but she said it was dead, like it was done. But obviously not, because I'm still driving, you know? So I don't know if it's the alternator or the battery. So I mean, I'm gonna have to take a 50-50 gamble. Yo, I'm so ready. Like, bro, we're just getting into the summer, bro, and I got a whole lot I want to do. And it's going to be executed, bro. I'm going to be able to execute every single thing, hopefully. The thing that's probably going to be last is maybe getting a wrap. Like, that's probably not, I mean, it's realistic, but all that in 2 months that I'm here at home, it's crazy. Let me know how the audio sounds too. I got like a windscreen over my GoPro so that the wind is not OD. It might still be OD, but I'm not sure. Sounds crazy. Like when I'm in the woods, it sounds OD loud, but like on a regular road, it's chill. I did lower my burble. It used to be like OD, but I kind of got annoyed of it, bro. It's like after doing it so many times, bro, it's like Earlier today, bro, I was cutting up with some beautiful, bro, like I'm telling you, a matte black M2, bruh. He gave me my props though. He did give me my props. I'm like, it's crazy because I was already planning on doing a video. I had my GoPro like right beside me and I didn't pull it out. I just like, bro, I'm just trying to, like, sometimes when I don't have the camera out, bro, I'm just enjoying the moment. Like right now I'm enjoying the moment. But it's like I had to set the GoPro up, like put it on, put the head strap on, so it wasn't just like chilling, automatic. I hope the audio's good, bro. It'll be crazy to have to re-record this. See, I gotta go through there for one video. And then there's another one up here, I think. God. And then I gotta go through there. I think at night it's lit up. Oh, these pop sounds OD. They sound crazy. telling y'all, just like, bro, just living out here in the country, like, you can't tell me you couldn't do this all day. Like, this is so fun. So sleep. Can't show y'all too much, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to, we're gonna have to be a cut like here. You know, you can't be putting your address on the internet, bro. Even if I ain't even knowing, bro. You just can't be doing that. Remember my last video, bro? Somebody told me I had an AliExpress interior. What does that even mean? What does that even mean? What in here is AliExpress? There's nothing in here AliExpress. And the only thing that's different from OEM, bro, is the ambient lighting in the screen. Oh. Yeah, I don't know why my pops sound OD. Like, I think I'm running at like a 5 aggression. I don't know. So like, it's not OD, but I mean, this, I don't know, this is reliable settings though. So nothing in my tune is not like OD crazy. God. Holy. Sounds insane. I gotta hide this, Sean. I can't have that, Sean. I can't have these, Sean. Look at that NPC. ain't never seen a 328i pushing like this. Oh my days. Yo, like, I'm not gonna lie, my house being like way out here, bro, it's like, it's low-key like having your own person. Oh, it's like having your own personal track. Yo, that Chrysler sounded amazing. Bro, earlier, I'm telling you, bro, I was pushing it, bro. It was a back road, bro. Nobody was on that road, bro. I'm going like 115 down there, bro. Bro, like the road was so windy though, like had to have two hands on the wheel. Oh my God. I could hear the burble was trying to pop, but I stopped it. Holy. And they got their window down. They love to hear this. They would have put that up by now. I saw them let their window down too. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, when I had my burble like at max, I'm not gonna lie, it didn't sound as loud in the inside. I could just be tripping, but man, I'm telling you, bro, it sounds amazing. Like, I just hope the camera picking it up, please. Hey, it ain't gonna sound what it sound like in real life. I might gotta turn my burble down to like the timing. I'm probably gonna do like maybe like, I'm trying to get one pop. Like, I don't usually run the burble unless, like, let's say like earlier today the M2 pulled up beside me, he was revving his Jones, so I'm like, I'm revving mine too, but I gotta go on sport. Hey, that burble don't sound good, bro. It sounds like it's definitely messing some up. But it ain't even max though. This is like a 4 or 5. Oh my God, you that one pop? If y'all new, make sure y'all like subscribe, like come join the club. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a video. I'm gonna try to do every like 3 days, try to post every 3 days, something like that. If not once a week, twice a week, something. There's so much coming, bro. Like, my car is like, bro, if you look at it on the outside, it's pretty much stock, bro, other than the spoiler on the back. I'm telling you. So it's so much, I have so much to do. Like, I'm starting, like, this is my whole build progress, bro. I haven't really been doing anything because I've been trying to figure out, like, the transmission went out, the sparks. I'm just trying to figure out. I'm having misfires, bro. So I just been trying to figure out what the misfire is. I haven't really done nothing too much, because like I'm thinking like maybe I gotta like pay for something new, like a new, like, I don't know, bro. I gotta get a rear diffuser, front lip, rims. Like, I don't know, man. Can I get all this done before like the end of August? I want to have my rims here, bro. Cause I'm getting them lowering springs. I'm gonna have the lowering springs on stock wheels. I know it's gonna look atrocious, but it's just temporary. You gotta see the vision. You gotta see the vision. Y'all already know. Oh my God. My own private road, I'm telling you. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm telling you, my own private road. I hope this camera recording. Yo, get me right, twin. We recording? Are we recording? I don't even know. Are we recording, gang? Oh, it'll be crazy if we're not recording, right? Please tell me we're recording. Please tell me we're recording. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Okay, we recorded. We recorded. Alright, y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if y'all new. Hey, we got more content on the way, bro. I'll catch y'all in the next one. We out.